Let's take a look at how to make these delicious loaded tater tots, shall we? First things first, bacon. You can cook it or use just regular bacon bits. Next, you need to prepare your tater tots. I like to bake them in the air fryer because they become out crispy and delicious. You can always bake them in the oven if you want, or even fry them. Season them with some salt, pepper too if you'd like. That is up to you. Give it a good shake. Pour them onto your prepared plate, and now it's about time to start those toppings. First, we're going to start with a layer of queso, because like bacon, cheese just seems to make everything better, right? Let's turn this right side up so you can read it. Panchos, squeeze queso. Now we're going to add our bacon bits. Remember, you can either cook them or you can use packaged bacon bits. Now we need a little bit of ranch to go on top of that. Just drizzle it right on top, and then let's garnish it with green onions. They add a nice little pop of color and taste. Look at that. This is a dish that you serve to friends and family. It's perfect for game night, the big game, you name it. Don't forget to hit like and to subscribe. Happy eating, y'all.